Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create an email template in GoHighLevel. If you're looking to streamline your email marketing and save time by creating reusable templates for your campaigns, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to GoHighLevel.com. Sign in using your account credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main interface where all your marketing tools are located. Now, let's navigate to the email builder. Look at the left navigation panel and click on Marketing. This is where all your email features and campaign tools are housed. Once you're on the marketing page, you'll see a top menu with several options. Click on Emails to proceed to the email management area. Next, we need to access the Template Manager. In the top area under the Emails menu, you'll find a tab labeled Templates. Click on it to open the Email Template Manager, where you can view, edit, and create new templates for your marketing campaigns. Now it's time to create your new template. Look for the button labeled Plus New and click it. An expanded menu will appear with different options. From this menu, click on the option named Email Marketing Templates to start building your custom template. You'll now be prompted to choose your design editor. GoHighLevel offers different editing options such as the design editor or inline editor. Select the editor you prefer by clicking the corresponding button. After making your selection, wait for a moment while it loads your chosen template editor. Once the editor opens, the first thing you'll want to do is name your template. In the template settings, you'll see a field labeled template name or something similar. Type in a descriptive name that clearly identifies the purpose of this template, making it easy to find and reuse later. Now comes the creative part, adding your content. Use the editor to build out your email by adding headers, body text, images, and call to action buttons. To edit any block, simply click into it and replace the placeholder content with your own text, images, or design elements. Take your time here to craft an email that aligns with your brand and messaging goals. Finally, once you're satisfied with your template design and content, click the button labeled Save Template to store your new template. This saves it to your template library, where you can access it anytime for future campaigns. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom email template in GoHighLevel that you can now use to streamline your email marketing efforts. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.